Or, should you choose to accept it, and you should, this can happen to anyone who is trying to help others. This can happen to anyone who is trying to help others. That's your line.
Woo! This can happen to anyone. Seriously, people, you've got $2 million on your hand, and this can happen to you. So think of how many things you can do in your life. Where should I start it with? Maybe I should help the environment. Maybe I should partially send it to people who has cancer. Or maybe I'm gonna be so selfish that everything's gonna go to myself, my looks, my education, and of course, partially for my family. It depends on the kind of personality you are. And it can happen to anyone. The sky is not the limit. Just like Natalie told us, you can be a miracle maker and help people all over the world. Or you can be a personal miracle maker and keep being selfish and still spend money on you. But dear Toastmasters and friends, I think people who gathered here are not selfish people. And I truly believe that there is fairness in everything that we do, and karma will find you. Thank you.